This is the paper model of my next floating kayak. The design is based on my G23 canoe. The main focus is to reduce the size for storage and also make the assembly faster. The box size of this new boat is 48 inches tall, 4.5 inches thick, and 14.25 inches wide. When compared with my older boat, which is 19 inches wide, therefore this new boat is about 25% smaller. The volume of this new boat is 3,078 cubic inches when compared with a similar kayak from ORU, and its volume is 7,560 cubic inches. Therefore, this G23 kayak is about 2.5 times smaller. This small rectangular form factor allows me to place multiple boats inside my small car. If I want to, I can also easily mount the boat on top of my car. I used the PVC pipe to make the gunnel, and that dictated the overall thickness of the package. I have to reduce the thickness of the gunnel in order to make a thinner package. I double folded the side wall of the boat. I apply heat to the top edge of the Coroplast, and then I jam the edge into the gap so that it will have a regular fit. The overall thickness of the gunnel is only 1/2 inch, and I can still fold the Coroplast easily. I then insert the lattice cap, which I bought from Home Depot, so that it can maintain the longitudinal strength across the folded areas. The boat can be folded together easily, and the accessories are all stored inside the package.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I have many other videos on my channel. Hope you find them interesting too. Thanks and see you again. Bye bye.